street and catch some action as they go. There's Rick Danport. All right, what do we have coming out? Oh, our big winner, Joe. Pat. Who would have thought, right? Nah. It's because you have a beautiful car, man.
Thanks, man.
Congratulations, brother.
Thank you.
Take care.
I wish Dano could have been here to give me the trophy.
It would have been nice to have Dano give you the trophy, wouldn't it? Yeah, I agree. But we love him every day. We always remember him, and you know, always, brother. Congrats. All right. Have a great Labor Day, by the way. And the car is looking good. I wish I think you're gonna get a green. I got to go to Costco. Just like that. Love those guys. Joe and Patricia. And they won the Dano Award tonight. All right, here comes a 57 Chevy coming up. Heading out for the night. Beautiful car. Exceptional. A lot of 57s here, but this one's one of the tops. This is the one that we looked at earlier. Heading out. Another early bird. Somebody spent some money on some Mylar. All right, here comes that CUDA 340. Very, very pretty. Got the rallies on it. 340, all correct. Very clean, very nice car. Finally gets the green light. Finally he gets the green light. Careful. Yeah. Continues, and we just had a nice talk about Mopars, how much we love them. Another 57 going out, beautiful red. We got some bright stuff behind us here. Look at that. Dano! Have a great night, thanks. Get out of your eye line now. Hey! Take care, man. Have a good one. Yeah, you kind of figured that one.
Yeah, it's quick.
Oh, Migliore. Migliore. All right, buddy.
Good night.
Good
Have a
night.
good night.
Drive safe. Good to see you.
See ya. Donuts, maybe. Maybe.
Mike, yeah, I gotta get up. Take care, bud. All right, here comes our another winner of the night, Marvin. Here comes that L82 vet. I think it's like an 80 or an 81, because I don't believe they have an 82. No. L81 vet, probably an 80. That's an 80. There goes Marvin. Hello, Marvin. Love the Falcon. All right. Hey, there's Robert. Nice looking truck. Doesn't look anything like a Hemrod with a Chrysler with a Hemi in it.
I was going to do a dog leg burnout for you for all your viewers, but I don't want to embarrass myself.
We've already had a couple, don't worry. Truck looks great though. It's a beautiful truck.
Looks good at night, huh?
Yeah, it looks really good.
10 footer.
Great truck. Here's this truck here. Most beautiful square body ever. Look at this parade of American iron. Wow. Hooligans. Here comes comes Mouse and Mary, M&M. In their shoebox. Good night. Take care of yourself. Love you. See you guys. Mouse and Mary. Oh, there goes Mike. Take care, Mike.
Take care.
Mike in his truck. Oh, there goes Roger. It's like all the Surf City Classics leaving at once. Good night, Raj. No surfboard. Okay, good. Monty and the Gia. I'm so glad my bug doesn't run like that. All right, here comes this really beautiful 67 Impala. Gorgeous car. Vinyl top, very clean. You've got loose wheels on it, nice stance, perfect stance actually. Actually, just about a perfect stance on the car. Yeah, good idea. Yeah, that's a sweetie right there. Oh, look. There's Steve. Right there. Oh, one of my favorites. Wow, that guy was hauling butt. There he goes. All right. Hello. Take care, brother. All right, hooligans are out. Nice. George. Oh, buddy.
What's in your garage?
All right. Go out and check out his site. Nice CUDA too. Hey, SCC in the house, Luis.
Yes.
And John. Good night, you guys.
Good night.
Fun night.
Oh, yeah.
All right, take care. Careful out there. Have a safe drive home. And that's the Blue Demon right there. Go. There goes the Ford 64 F100 and Top Car Bruce. It's coming up. Here comes the Willys. All right. Good night. Good night. Sounds good.
See what Vaughn did from the back?
Oh, look at that! Wow. That's awesome.
Pretty cool, huh?
That's very cool. Uh-oh.
Yeah, the last time we made it.
Oh, man. It's supposed to be a Ford.
Yeah, exactly.
We got Bruce. Good night, Bruce. Hey, I didn't win, did I? Ah, darn it. Hey, back, buddy. You're following the big show.
Yes, sir.
All right. Be safe out there, brother. Take care. SCC strong in the house tonight. And there goes Chris Ullage. Hey, Chris, take care, brother. Good to see you as always. All right, buddy, take care. Bye. There goes Chris Ullage. Oh my gosh, there goes Jerry. All right, brother, take care of yourself. All right, be good.
I gotta wait a while.
Oh yeah. It's convenient to have a retired police car in the club, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
He's like, okay, I'm Cop Car Bruce. I got this. I wonder if he can do that. The poor guy in the vent was so bummed that I videotaped it getting pushed.
I'd be embarrassed.
Sit here. Here's that wagon. Woo, that wagon's bad. Oh. Oh, you know him. Where's all the cheering coming from? This Fury wagon, though, dude, one of a kind right there. That's one of a kind. That is one of a kind. Another nice Mustang. Oh, John Silva, yeah. He's rolling on juice. Nice. There's that 93 month boy. He's usually in front right here. Yeah, we're a little jammed up tonight. Ooh, nice wagon. There goes Doug. He's won quite a few times here. There goes Steve and Paul. There he goes. Hey, Hunter, take care of her. Bagged up. Well, at least they know when you're coming. Well, I think something just fell off. And our newly retired executive chef.
Yeah, look what happened to me, PZ.
What happened?
I went in reverse.
You know, something always happens here. Somebody took a chunk out of my fender last week on my bug.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they fell. 3 people fell on my car here last week.
I went just like the shot backwards. Lucky in hell that I didn't hit anybody. Oh, I tell you.
Oh, bad luck. I'm sorry.
Oh, me too.
Oh, I'm so sorry, you guys. Take care. Bummer. Dude, something always happens here. I shouldn't even say that. Hey, there goes Christopher. Christopher Hughes. Hey, man, glad you rolled out.
Yeah.
Newest member, SCC.
SCC.
In the house, baby.
Thanks, man.
It was fun. We'll talk to you later.
Yeah.
All right, brother. We got a broken down vet over here. I think they got the for sale sign off. All right, good night. You got your site there too. Hey, there's Arthur. And doing Civil War reenactment.
Cops here. What'd you do?
I didn't do nothing. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
No burnouts.
I didn't do nothing.
I try not to.
Oh, like you're one to talk, right?
It's a running joke.
Okay. Well, the sheep farm is also a running joke, but we won't go any farther than that. All right, well, that looks like it's about it for the night. Except we got that beautiful satellite convertible. Oh, here we go. Here comes that beautiful frickin' Cyclops with his little belt squeak. Beautiful car. Good night. Thanks for bringing the car. Here goes that, I think this was the Monterey. Good night. Thanks for coming. A little different perspective here.
Everything pertaining. So I've got, stuff like.
Well, it was almost the end of the night, but then our biggest sponsor, Willy, is just now leaving. So this is really the end of rollout. Hey, good night tonight, Willy.
Oh, man.
I didn't know you had left, so now this is actually the end of the rollout. Great to see you. Be safe. Great man right there. Oh, we got Rod. Wow. I think that's the latest I've seen Rod's take. Good night, Rod.
All right, Patrick. Have a good weekend.
You too, bud. Have a safe weekend. A vet on a flatbed, and everybody I hope has a safe and wonderful Labor Day weekend, and God bless.